Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bubble now. We're going to be using Madame Glam in the color Take Me to My Konos. We're going to apply a base, or a coat of that. And we're going to go ahead and cure. Okay, now we're going to add a milky white gel polish. This is the one we're using. And we're going to add a generous amount. We are not going to cure. You can add whatever top coat you have. I'm using this one just because it's the one I use for practice. Then we're going to add little dots. Let me see if we go almost out. And it's going to open up. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, I was out of frame. You just add dots and it looks like a bubble effect. Now we're going to go ahead and... Alright, now we're going to be using this solid building gel I got from Amazon, and it's clear. We're going to be making a starfish, so we're going to grab a little bit to make like 5 petals. I think we need a little bit more. Roll it into a little ball. Just place it there. Okay, another little ball. Technically I should be wearing gloves just because it is gel polish and we don't want to give myself some allergies, but I'm going to try to hurry. Again, it's going to be 5 little balls. Okay, we're going to put them close together because it's going to be a star. We're making a starfish. Then one last one. Okay, so there's that. Now using this rubber or silicone pen, we're going to make our star. Okay. So there's our star. We're going to go ahead and cure. Alright, now we're going to go in and paint this star using the Model 1s, and so I kind of blocked the number, but we're going to be using it as a cream color. And we're going to go ahead and paint it for this star. Alright, so we're going to be adding probably a second coat. And if you hear my kids arguing, they're always arguing. But this is what it's looking like. We're going to go ahead and cure. Alright, so now we're going to go in with Follow Me, and it's like a brown color. And we're going to be adding some speckles to the star to give it a little bit of more dimension. Okay, and there it is. Ocean theme. There you go. Okay, this is what it looks like.